The key takeaway here is messaging is everything. And messaging is so important with any content you're creating, whether it's a Facebook post, a YouTube video, copying an email newsletter. It all has to resonate with your ideal audience. When you know your audience's needs, it makes your content irresistible. And when your content resonates, your engagement and reach skyrockets. Think of it this way. If you need to get a gift for somebody, but this person, you don't know their interests, their favorite color, you don't know anything about them, it's kind of hard to get them a good gift. That's what your content creation is like. You don't really understand your audience as well as you need to. And if you're struggling with ideas for content, this process will solve that because you essentially get to read the mind of what your audience is looking for, and it makes content creation so much easier. So let's get started and jump over to ChatGPT. Before we get started with ChatGPT, I want to show you an example of what content looks like when you don't really understand your audience. Here's one right here for Fox Recovery and Towing. Our mission at Fox Towing and Recovery is to be the only towing and recovery service you'll ever need. Save our number. Well, they don't even give you the number to actually copy and paste in your phone, but let's not even go there. They're talking about their mission is to be the only towing company anybody needs, but it doesn't actually address any of the needs or the things people are actually looking for in a towing company. Let me show you the difference here of creating content with your target audience's needs and desires in mind. All right, I'm in ChatGPT 4.0 here. I'm doing a temporary chat because I don't want to train my memory on this example, and I'm going to paste in this prompt. Assume the role of a market research analyst. Your mission, craft a thorough buyer avatar, and we're going to put in the towing company right here. And I'm going to say Chicago, Illinois. You don't have to put the location in. Representing the ideal dream buyer. This avatar will pinpoint the most probable customer, one who resonates with, values, and consistently chooses the product or service. And then we're going to ask for the pain points, psychographics, dream outcome, and the decision-making process. All right, let's see what it comes up with. All right, so now it starts off with the pain points and needs, all the different challenges that they're looking to get addressed, the unmet needs fulfilled by the service, psychographics, their interests, attitudes, values, motivations, aspirations, lifestyle, the dream outcomes, like what are they looking for? It's all explained here. And the decision-making process. This is huge. This is huge not only for how the business should have processes and systems in place, but also in their messaging. So discovery. How are they going to find a towing company? Online search. Very important. Word of mouth referrals, social media and reviews. The evaluation process. Top of the list, reviews and ratings. Pricing transparency. Response time. Professional appearance. Service and scope. And how do they select the company? The urgency of need, customer support, and trust building features. So trust is a big issue here. We can see that over and over. So the towing company that can seem the most trustworthy, professional, and quick is going to be the one that gets the business. And we want that reflected in our messaging. So now that we've done this exercise, let's see how we can create content using this information. Now let's draft a Facebook post using this information. I'll show you how to do that. Please draft a Facebook post that will appeal to the avatar's dream outcome. All right, let's take a look at what it created. Number one, it starts out stranded in Chicago. We've got your back 24/7. So trying to build trust, they're available 24/7. That was really important in the avatar's desires. And then it describes car trouble can happen anytime, whether it's a flat tire, dead battery, blah, 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 middle of rush hour. But don't worry, you're never alone. We can plug in our name there by your side. Fast response times. We'll get to you quickly, no matter where you are in Chicago, because that's a top priority. 24/7 availability, transparent pricing, friendly and professional. So it's addressing all these main points or all these main concerns that the audience would have. It even goes as far as to describe the dream outcome right here, getting back on the road or safely to your destination with peace of mind. That's exactly what we deliver. Call us now, put your phone number in. Don't just take our word for it. Check out our reviews, like and share. Okay, so this is just a quick example of this, but you can see how different this is from the other one. This will resonate more with somebody. Just think about it yourself. If you saw that original Facebook post or you saw something like this, which company are you calling? This is clearly the one because this type of messaging resonates with your needs and desires. For this example, I only used 4 data points. If you click the link in the description to my school community, AI Marketing Mastery, it's a group for entrepreneurs and content creators who are looking to grow their brand. I have a much more robust prompt with 12 data sets that allow you to do the same process but generate a lot more information. It really allows you to read the mind of your ideal audience. In the comments, let me know which one of these prompts you think will have the greatest impact on your content. By truly understanding your audience, you're not just creating content, you're actually creating a connection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.